Hey all, hello everyone. How are you doing, guys? So today is day 3. Let me open a new one, new drawing board. Okay, so today is day 3. In day 3, what we will do is, let me just recap what day 2, what we have done on day 2. In day 2, we are actually doing a research about what are the services we can provide and people are actually pay for those services. Okay. So this is what our day 2 looks like. And in day 2 we are actually going through free some YouTube videos, Fiverr links, and I visited some other website as well. But the caveat is I actually told you that I will create a doc, but I didn't because I want to share you how you can actually do the research and create your own doc. That's why I didn't created it. Today I will create that doc for you guys live. Okay. So by the way, this is day 2, day 3. Oh, what's up? This is our day 3 of earning $1 million using AI, or building a $1 million using AI. Okay. Building a $1 million business using AI. So let's start. So what we do today in today's video, I will do the doc that I actually Excel that I told you that I will share it on a group, but I haven't because I want to share it how you can actually create your own doc and do the research properly. That's why. So today we will do the Excel, or you can say the most in depth in some research part. Okay. Some research. Let's say Excel at least. Excel, and the second what we do is we will looking for the automation services. Okay, templates. Cause after creating that Excel, we have to create those templates by themselves, or we can look for videos, or if there are any templates available online. Okay, so first what we do is we will look for templates. Okay, so let's create that Excel file. Sorry, I forget to share that screen. So this is what we will do on day 3. If you want, I can recap what we actually need to build. Just let me redo it. Where's the eraser, by the way? Can't find that eraser. Bro, what? I'm dead. Just let me look for the eraser. Where's the eraser, by the way? Eraser ka, are you the eraser boy? Yes, this is the erasers. Got it. So let me rephrase or restart the video again. So hello everyone, this is day 3 and in today's video I will be looking for the templates or the files that we actually find that peoples are actually paying, right? Because yesterday what we do in day 2, we are looking for the AI automation services that peoples are actually paying for. Okay, so I have created some list for this. I haven't created the list, but right now I'm about to create that. Okay, so let me just start it again. So today is day 3 of our earning $1 million using AI. Okay, so what we do is we will create our Excel. And second, after creating that Excel file, what we do is we will look for the templates, right? Templates. So let's just start it. Okay, so here's a link that we found yesterday. Okay, so these are the links that we found, and we need to scrape these YouTube videos, right? Let me just. We need to scrape these YouTube videos, also the fiber profiles that we scrape, that we actually found, not scrape, that we actually found, and today we will scrape all of this. Also, there are some external links that I found which is actually helpful, and these are like Byrong is actually a AI RAS company. Okay, and I found one guy who is actually one website called Altadi. Scale your business with custom AI infrastructure that works 24/7 and slashes operational costs. What is this? So we need to scrape this, how they are doing, how they are building. Okay, so yeah, so that's why I didn't make it. I will do it in front of you guys, how you can create your own and do the due diligence by yourself. So let me just open Notebook LLM. By the way, if you have any question, you can ask me right away. Okay, happy to help. So first I just open the notebook, and now what we do is we do click on the this section where they say paste any links. Okay, and hence I already look for this links. Okay, so what I'm doing this, what I will do is I actually have these links on my notebook. Okay, so I just need to copy it and paste it over here. Let me just copy it. Okay, I just copy the whole links that I open first. Now let me just paste it. So yeah, I just paste the link over here. Now as you can see, there's some Notion template and YouTube videos. Okay, just click on insert and voila, Notebook LLM doing his work. Yeah, as you can see, based on the links, it says the AI professional and agency scale by using agentic services and outcome based pricing success system from Identifying bottlenecks in workflows and providing measurable ROI. Effective growth require high volume. Okay, so this is a context that Notebook LLM actually gave after pasting these all links. Okay, now I want to add more sources since I already cause Fiverr is a website that actually not able to crawl bots, cause is denying whenever I'm trying to put the link, Fiverr link. Okay, so they are not able to crawl this website. So what I need to do is I need to take a screenshot about their services, like we make CRM. What are they actually doing? Okay, so I just take screenshots. What are they doing? And just pasting it over here. So just upload files. These are the files that I found. Okay, yeah, as you can see is reading the screenshots as well. Now we will start asking questions. Mhm. Okay, as you can see, everything is loaded, and now we gave a lot of data to Notebook LLM. Now we can ask anything we want to ask. Okay, let me just see. I just want to add one thing also, ChatGTP in the Notebook LLM. Let me just paste the link. Yeah, okay. 1222 sources. Now I want to ask something. How can I implement results as a service, RAS as a service using outcome-based pricing models? Know what is the best framework for identifying business scaling bottleneck? How do I land my first client using warm outreach? No, I don't want this. I want to know what are the services I can provide. Okay, let's type it out. Okay, it says as a beginner in the AI and automation spaces, you should focus on providing services that solve one brainful problem for one person rather than trying to build a complex agency immediately. The source suggests several specific high value services you can provide. CRM and lead management services. Many businesses struggle with manual data entry and disorganized lead tracking. CRM setup and automation optimizing and integration platforms like Zoho, Salesforce, and Monday.com automate lead follow-up, building systems that ensure no lead is missed by automating the initial outreach. Okay, lead research agents, creating AI system that automate the search. Okay, AI agent and communication services, voice and chat agents, smart AI voicemail, customer support, outbound AI cold, social media outreach, content reproduction, workflow operation, automation onboarding, project management, niche specific. For requirement agency, recruitment for PPC agencies, for coaches and consultants. Okay. Anchor in ROI, position your service as an investment. If you can show business owners how your $2,000 system will save 20,000 in time, Okay, so these are the services that we can actually sell. Okay. Hmm. What are the most profitable low code inherent workflow for beginner? Okay, let's see. Retrieving details, reading full chapters. Automate client or student onboarding, the workflow profitability. Lead management, yeah, lead research and engagement agent, smart AI voicemail and receptionist, content repurposing and newsletter. But the thing is, I don't want this type of. I want to build something hard to replicate. Let's see. To offer a service that is both high in demand and hard to replicate, you must shift your focus from selling AI tools or templates to selling verifiable business outcomes and custom infrastructure. Okay. Automated lead research and engagement agents. Standard lead list are commodity, but high intent, deeply researched data is not. Result as a service for sales and operations. The hardest service to replicate are those where your pricing is tied to measurable outcomes. Okay. Smart AI receptionist and voicemail system. The mode custom onboarding flywheel. While anyone can send a welcome email, you can build a full cycle automated onboarding system. Okay, these are some good ones. Hmm. How can I build an automate student onboarding system? What are the benefits using Silicon employee agents? How do I pitch outcome based pricing to a new client? Okay, so I can do that. Let's do some more research. Okay, guys. Hmm. Just go. How can I build an automate student onboarding? No, I don't want to build something like that. I want to build. Based on the sources, here are additional high demand services you can offer. Full cycle automated onboarding flywheel AI receptionist and have been sold for as much as for just 2 hours. AI receptionist and smart voicemail system. Niche specific silicon employee. What is this? Instead of selling general automation, you can offer result as a service by providing autonomous agents that execute full tasks rather than just making suggestions for Recruitment agencies build systems that shorten the candidate sourcing and presentation loop. Okay. For PPC agencies offer an automated brand sniping system that use AI to find competitor keyword and generate one-page report for bidding strategies. Okay. Lead research and enrichment agents. While lead lists are common, deeply research intelligence is high leverage offerings. Automate SEO and content cross sell. Community and newsletter automation. Okay, how can a PC can employ to enterprise level? What are the most profitable niches for high intent lead research? No, how do I structure outcome based billing? Okay, after getting this, I think I this is the time when I need to use this. Where's that prompt? Hmm. Run the ROI analysis, copy this prompt. You are a business operation not that one. Okay, yeah, I think this one. Yeah, this one. Run the ROI analysis 15 minutes. Copy this prompt into Claude. Your business operation analyst specializing in process optimization and automation. I'm going to share my company process. Your job analyze each one and identify the high for each process. Evaluate time spent per week, number of people involved. Yeah, but this one not gonna work. ROI score 30x. Build immediately 10 to 30x. High priority. Do this math. Process map. You are a system architect specialized in process mapping. Hmm. Nope. This not gonna work. Based on this, it's actually providing the same value again and again. Okay. Create a list of it. Let's see. Yeah. Sure, buddy. By the way, if you have any question, you can ask right away. I'm here for you. High leverage lead intelligence and sales system. These services go beyond simple data scraping to provide deep business intelligence. High leverage lead intelligence and okay, just copy it. Agents build custom agents that research prospects, recent news, financial goals. Okay, yeah, this one's good. AI voice and lead recovery solutions. Okay. Outcome focused business infrastructure. Okay, this service focus on solving operational root cause rather than just automating isolated tasks. Full cycle automated onboarding flywheel. Okay, custom ERP or operating system. Build act as a fractional system expert to build entire project management. Provide autonomous silicon employee that execute full tasks like drafting, copy, and booking ad spend. Okay. Advanced content and community engines, newsletter production and content repurposing, community automation system for coaches and consultants that automate Discord or subreddit onboarding and handle consistent weekly engagement posts to reduce churn. Okay, specialized enterprise AI services. This cater to high level concerns like security, compliance, and financial transparency. No, we don't want to deal with that part. How do I show business they have 10 ROX? What is the best way to price AI voice agent? How can I package and automate onboarding system for clients? No, don't want it. Hmm. Management lead research and engage. Okay, automate lead research and management agents standard commodity but high intent deep research data is not. And spend millions of staff manually qualifying a customer that column summarize to insight directly into their CR codes or send investment on to say. Okay, let me copy this one. This one is good. Result as a service, RAS for sales operation. The hardest service to replicate are those where your pricing is tied to measurable outcomes rather than hours work or API calls. The demand enterprise are saturated with AI tools and are looking for vendors who guaranteed results. Yes, the more you provide silicon employees autonomous agents that handle full tasks like drafting, copy, running, A/B test, and booking spend, rather than just making suggestions by using outcome-based billing. Okay, let me copy that one as well. Smart AI receptionist and voicemail system. This is a specific high leverage service that solves the 30% revenue leak many business face due to missed inbound calls. The demand brick and mortar or service business often lose potential customers who call after hours and don't want to leave a traditional voicemail. The more you build voice agent that is fully integrated with their CRM like HubSpot or Zoho, it qualifies inquiry urgency and either perform a warm transfer to the owner cell or send an immediate detailed email recap. This provides immediate feedback to the loop. Okay, let's see. Customer onboarding flywheel. Yeah, this one work as well. While anyone can send a welcome email, you can build a full cycle automated onboarding engine that handle payments, account creation, and follow-up sequence. The demand professional service and coaching businesses. Okay, let's see. Because we don't need to create multiple of automation and multiple bots because they will take your so much time. Okay, so what we will do is we just focus on one specific problem and we will go deep into it so that no one can replicate, right? And we will work until we actually able to hit something, or we actually able to earn that amount that we are actually planning, or at least close 10 clients, okay, that we planned yesterday. Complete ownership. Unlike SaaS tool with recurring fees, offer your clients complete ownership of the agent data and infrastructure. These remove hidden subscription and fractional system expert push. Position yourself not as coder but as problem solver and fractional systems strategist. Client will pay a premium for someone who understand their business root cause and provide a black box that just make the problem disappear. Okay. Yeah. Manage perception, not just code. The true differentiate isn't your ability to deliver a service, since anybody can deliver the service, is your ability to manage the perception of that service through professional onboarding, loom walkthrough, and clear documentation. Okay. Lead research and enrichment agent. I think I haven't added yet. Result as a service, smart AI receptionist, custom onboarding flywheel. Yeah, no. What is SEO and content cross selling? I don't know. Just copy it, by the way, for the time being. We will figure that out eventually, so don't need to worry. Community and newsletter automation. For established coaches and consultant, you can automate community engagement and newsletter production. This includes building system that repurpose existing YouTube or course content, welcome sequence, email courses. Okay, let's see. Secure AI system that feature authentication, access control, and monitoring. The more you provide verified and compliant AI that include audit logs, documentation, data lineage. ROI projection and observability report. As a business advance, they want to see the measurable finance impact for their business. Okay. Hmm. What is this? Oh, Google ad strategy that you guys are using to identify if there's a working wonder bidding on competitor with the attention on AI feels like PPC operator and my real world. Automate brand sniping for PPC agencies. Develop system that use AI to find competitor. Create a list based on sources and our conversation history. Here's a list of high demand, hard to replicate services you can offer as AI. Yeah. Okay. High leverage lead intelligence and sales system. This service go beyond simple data scraping to provide deep business intelligence that directly drive revenue. Automate lead research and enrichment agents. Build custom agents that research and prospect recent news, financial goals, or social media actively. Automate brand sniping or PPCs. Recruitment sourcing loop. AI voice and lead recovery solutions. Smart AI receptionist and voicemail building. Okay. Yeah. These are the lists that we are actually looking. I can create a tailor report for you that outline how to package and price. Yeah, sure. Do it. Then automate onboarding system for What is the best way to price a tailor report? Create a tailor report. Okay, so these are the high value services offering in details. It details hard to replicate services such as full cycle, automate onboarding flywheel, which have been sold over $2,600 for just 2 hours of work. AI voice receptionist system that help business recop up to 30% lost leads. Lead research, okay, pricing and packaging. Okay, scaling framework. It incorporate the theory of constraints and management. Fulfillment. You can scale efficiently of $50,000 per month and beyond. Okay, that's good. You can find the full report in Studio tab where it guide. Yeah, got it. Hmm. Okay, so it's generating report. Yeah, wait for it. By the way, we have created a list that we actually gonna use. Let me just copy it and use our ChatGTP for it. Let's see. Okay, nice list. You have already filtered out the low leverage Zapier full and focused on revenue touching systems, which is exactly where real money is. I will be a bit skeptical and practical here. The best service is not the one that sounds the smartest. Solves a pain. Yeah, I already know. It's easy to explain in one sentence. Has a clear buyer and budget. Let you charge, yeah, 2,000 to $10,000. Yes, without a long sales cycles. Yeah. High level ranking from strong to weakest. Tier 1 easiest to sell, highest ROI, fastest cash. High leverage lead intelligence. Okay. High leverage lead intelligence and sales system, AI voice and lead recovery solutions. Okay. Tier 2 high ticket but slower sales. Outcome focused business infrastructure. Okay. Tier 3 good add-ons. Weaker as core offer advanced content and community engine. Okay. Powerful but hardest to close early. Specialized enterprise AI service. Okay. So we will go with the best one only. Okay. The best service to start with clear winner AI voice lead recovery plus sales intelligence. Okay. Okay, AI was lead recovery. So we were going to working on as a lead recovery agent. Okay. Why this wins miss call lost money. Easy emotional trigger. Business owners already understand the problem. ROI can be shown in days, not months. Work insanely well for clinic, real estate agencies, local services consultant. Very few competitors do this properly. You are not selling AI, you are selling recovered revenue. The killer position, this matters more than tech bad pitch. I build AI voice agent and CRM automations. Winning pitch. Business recover 20 to 30% of lost leads from missed calls automatically. Okay. But I don't want to make one that actually do this type of stuff. I hate it. Core of our AI lead recovery system deliverable 24/7 AI receptionist that answer missed calls qualifies the lead capture intent plus budget. Warm transfer if possible. Automatic email Slack WhatsApp recap. CRM update follow-up sequence. Optional upsell very important. Sales intelligence layer. AI research the lead. Company social presence. Intent signal. Sales updates. Who am I talking to? Summary before calling back. Now it's not just lead capture. It's conventional. You can charge without pushback if framed correctly. Okay, set up 2000 to 5000 monthly, 300 to 1000. Okay, or performance based pay per qualified call booked. Hmm. Content and community engine. See as marketing help harder to tie directly to revenue. Okay, custom ERP or OS builds. High profit, high effort, long sales cycle. Secure enterprise. Okay. If you want a second offer, your second strongest option is automate lead research and enrichment for sales teams. Yeah, I actually wanted to build that one, but the AI voice one is actually not interested on that. Not passionate. Let's see. Lead research and enrichment for sales teams. Target B2B agencies, recruiters, SaaS. Oh, by the way, let me just share it to the group. High leverage lead intel. No, not right now. I will sell it, share it later. Let me see if there's something more to come. Okay. If you want a second offer, automate lead research and enrichment for sales team. Hmm. First wins. If your goal is first win, high confidence closes, case studies, cash to reinvest. Yeah, actually, Okay, so we can walk with it. Yeah, this one walk. Mislead automation, non AI first, but AI optional. But don't you think this is already people are doing or working on it? This is saturated, by the way. I think. Mhm. Nah, bro, I'm good. Don't wanna do. Okay, yeah. Let me search some more. Search me some more. Appointment booking automation, very high demand. Okay. Lead message business, nobody follow up appointment, don't get book. The service I automate appointment booking, so leads turn into book calls automatically. What you will auto reply to inquiries, ask availability, book into Google Calendar, send vendors. Hmm. Lead tracking. What you will create lead sheet or CRM status tracking, new contact close, notification for follow up. Who pays small agencies? Sales. Follow up automation, silent revenue. Businesses reply once lead disappear, no reminder. The service I automate follow up so leads don't go cold. But you will auto follow up after 1 day, 3 days, 7 days. But there are the tool available for this auto follow up. Internal task automation. I want to provide services. that, no, don't have actually. Nah. Hmm. I want to provide services which what? Which one I don't have to work harder or something else. Let's see. If I build the follow-up automation, then the silent revenue killer. Okay, the follow-up automation will work as well. CRM setup, appointment booking automation. But appointment booking, so want to do something. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Which one? No. High leverage lead intelligence and sales system. I want to build that one. This service go beyond simple data scraping to provide deep business intelligence that directly drive revenue, automate lead research and enrichment agents, build custom agents that research a prospect, recent news, financial goals, or social media activity and summarize those insights directly into a CRM. This eliminates dozens of manual research hours per month for sales teams. Automated brand sniping for PPC agencies. I think I want to do this one. This one. Yeah, I'm passionate about this one. Yeah, kind of spying. High leverage lead intelligence and sales system. Yeah, if I do this, if I do that one, I think actually I just want to go with the one problem. Automate brand sniping over for PPC agencies. Develop system that use AI to find competitor keywords and gem keywords for URL with one click, providing competitive intelligence reports for bidding strategies. Requirement sourcing loop optimization. Create system that shorten the candidate sourcing. No, 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 no. I think I want to work with that one. Automate lead research and engagement agents. Hmm. I don't know how good it will work or how long it will work. Hmm. Okay, by the way, guys, the time is almost up. Okay, let me just mm, I need to do some more research on that stuff. I'm not actually satisfying. I'm not actually satisfied with it. Let me just do more research on it. Then tomorrow I will come up with something and I will share the link and all. Okay. I'm not satisfied right now. That's why. Don't worry, guys. Tomorrow I will come up with something that we will actually going to work with it. Okay. Then what we do is tomorrow. Okay. Let me just what we do tomorrow we will do is one I will come up with something that we actually going to provide as a service and which is high in demand. Okay, something I will come up with something which is high in demand and also easy to make. Okay, then second we will looking for the templates if that available or we will build one by me. Okay, I will look for the template. If the template isn't available I will make one. Okay, so don't worry, I will share that as well. So because this is like a rabbit hole. Okay, because there's so many services and I just want to build or I just want to work with one single one. Okay, I just want to from as a starter I just want to build. I just want to provide one service which is acceptable by a lot of agencies or let's say business owners that I can provide that service. I just want to provide one service. Okay, not many, cause that's a rabbit hole. and we are not able to make it if we actually create multiple of it. So let me just come up with something idea that we can actually work on it or work with it. Okay, something high in demand, also easy to make. Okay, I will look for the template, and if I'm not able to find that template, what I will do is I will make that by myself. Okay, so I will wait for 2 more minutes. If anyone want to ask anything, you can ask me right away. By the way, I'm here for help. Happy to help, by the way, guys. Thank you for watching my live stream. If you want, you can ask me anything. I will happy to help. By the way, in the meantime, just let me share the recap. What we are actually doing, we are actually building $1 million AI business. Okay, this is what we are actually wanted to do. So to do that, first we are looking for a problem and the solution that we will provide as a service to 10 peoples via Fiverr. Then what we do is we convert this Fiverr profile and create our own agent agency, and going to close 100 peoples. Then if we are actually able to find some patterns, okay, what we will do is after finding a pattern, we will create a MVP or AI wrapper, you can say. What is AI wrapper or MVP? This is you can call AI SaaS. Then hence we already have that people or that network. We will reach out to them and provide them a lifetime access for few bucks. Okay, and we will iterate each and every time. After finding the solution, we will try to build the main product and reach 2000 people per month, then scale it and exit. This is all we are actually planning to do. Okay, so stay tuned, guys, don't worry. I'm actually not satisfied for today's ideas. Okay, tomorrow I will come up with something good ideas and we will start working on it. Okay, so don't worry, stay tuned.